please continue to do your work. This weekends. There's still plenty of time. You still got a lot of time to enjoy after the O level. Now you can go and do your work, right? If I were you, I would do all those questions. If I were you, I would totally do all those questions one more time. Do one more time. Okay? Okay, ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, that means we are on screen share. So let's go. So I still have the math questions. That means we'll still be doing math. Okay? Can you see the whiteboard?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna begin. So let's take a look at this question number 21. Okay? Can you see question 21? Hello.
Yeah. Again.
Okay, anytime you're not hearing me or anything, just let me know because I will be talking all the time. Okay, that means if for 30 seconds you cannot hear me anything, that means something wrong, connection problem. Okay, so we shall begin, right? So the points -2, 11, 4, -1 lie on the curve given by the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus 3. So we gotta use an algebraic method to find the values of a and b. So the only way to do this is you gotta use simultaneous equation where you substitute these two values. Right, this is a x, y value. Put it into here. You're gonna get two equations, and the two equations are going to be your simultaneous equations. So I'm gonna just do them now. So for example, first one, let's substitute the first set. So 11 equals a times -2 squared plus b times -2 plus 3. So far, is it okay? First equation, can you see how I get it? Can you see? Hello? Okay, do you understand how I get this equation?
Yeah.
Can so it's just substitute x and y right into the equation. So let's evaluate this. So 11 equals to 4a minus 2b plus 3. So let's rearrange a bit. Put the 3 the other side. 4a minus 2b equals to 11 minus 3. So that's 8. And I can reduce simplest form divided by 2 throughout. So 2a minus b equals to 4. So this is my equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 2, we're going to substitute 4 and -1. So let's do that. -1 equals to a4 squared plus b4 plus 3. Okay, so let's continue. -1 equals to 16a plus 4b plus 3. So 16a plus 4b equals to -4. Reduce the simplest form again, divided by 4. So 4a plus b equals to -1. Okay, so this is my equation number 2. Right, so we're going to do simultaneous here. So we have equation 1, equation 2. We can do the elimination method since both the b, this is -b, and then below is positive b here. Okay, so both have the same coefficient. So what I'm going to do is we'll just take 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. We will have 2a minus b plus 4a plus b. Equation 1 so is 4 plus -1. And we continue. So the b is gone, so we're left with 6a equals to 3. A equals to half. Okay, so far is it okay? Awesome. Next, we're gonna continue. Now, if a equals to half, what do we do? Can you tell me what do we do here?
Substitute the a.
Yes, very good. So a equal to half. Substitute into either equation 1 or 2. So let's say we put into equation number 1. Okay, put inside here. So 2 times half minus b equals to 4. So 1 take away b equals to 4, minus b equals to 3, b equals to negative 3. So okay, so a half b minus 3. Right, easy or not? 4 marks. You get 4 marks for this. It's just substitution. Okay. Any question for this?
When you see use an algebraic method to find a and b.
Yeah.
So you have to. The equation will always be.
Yeah. Simultaneous.
Y equals to ax squared plus bx.
No. This question is not a common question. It's not a routine question that you see. This particular one. This one is a bit special. You have to figure out that you gotta replace the x and the y, because there's no other way to solve this. It's not always like this. This one, if you're referring to this part, right? It's just a general equation. It's just a general equation.
But every time they ask you to find in terms of A and B, then it's all simultaneous, right?
No, it really depends. Here, simultaneous will be is the only way to do.
Okay.
So it depends on the story and what are the stuff that they tell you. If not, yeah, I just thought using simultaneous would be a better way, because I can't think of any other way to solve this.
Okay.
Alright, so we move on to the next one. Let's go. How's your day so far?
Huh?
How's your chemistry? The practical?
Oh my practical was okay. I think I got most of the questions correct.
Wow. Okay, then physics then?
The physics one, a lot of people have different answers.
Different answer, then how?
Yeah, no one had the same answer as everybody, so I don't know.
How is that possible?
Yeah, I also don't know.
You mean everybody have the different answers?
Like for the gradient of the graph, right? Everyone had different answers.
But did you check with the teacher?
No, we didn't check with the teacher yet.
Never mind, I don't care, alright? So just look at the rest, okay?
Yeah.
Let's focus on the rest, right? We got what? 2 more weeks to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, still can, must do more every day do a bit. Okay, let's take a look at question 22. So question 22, we have a parallelogram. BE bisects angle. So, when they say bisect, right, what does it mean?
Cut through.
Exactly the same.
Oh.
So BE bisects angle ABC. So angle ABC, now if this is 35, that means here also 35 degrees. Alright, so both sides are 35. You can deduce that. So other information given to you, AB equals to 10, BC 8, and ABE 35. So calculate the area of trapezium ABED. ABED, okay, so what's the formula for trapezium? Do you know? Can you recall formula for trapezium? Right? Half times A plus B times height. A plus B is the sum of the parallel side. Alright? Let's say this is a trapezium. A, B, this H. Okay? Half A plus B times H. That's the sum, that's the area. So we're supposed to find the area of trapezium ABED. ABED is over there. Basically, I need to find this length. Okay, DE. And I also need to know okay, another way to find this, if I don't want to use the trapezium formula, is I can take area of parallelogram minus triangle. Okay, the area of the parallelogram, take away the area of the triangle. I can find it as well. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. Now this is a 5 marks, so it's not as easy as it seems. Okay, let's take a look. ABC 10 times 10 Okay, parallelogram, area of parallelogram. Okay, let's try to find the area of the parallelogram first. Okay, area of parallelogram. Okay, area of parallelogram. Now if I divide this thing into two, how do I find the area of the triangle? Half AB sine C, right?
Yeah.
Now the A is 10 and the B is 8. Sine C is 70. So if I want to find the area of parallelogram, it's the 2 times of half times 10 times 8 times sine 70 degrees. Okay, do you understand this part? This is the first one.
No.
No, okay. Let me show you. Where is the triangle? This is the triangle. This is a triangle. So how do I find the area of this triangle? I got to deploy this formula. Half AB sine C. Does half AB sine C ring a bell?
Yes.
Okay. So if half, what's A, what's B in this case?
10 and 8.
10 and 8. So that's why I substitute 10, 8 over here. You see that? Half AB. Then what is C?
35 plus 35.
So 70. So half AB sine C is the area of this triangle.
But then does that triangle equal to the other triangle?
Yeah, the one at the bottom, same.
Okay.
Because parallelogram, so I take 2 times. 2 times of that. Okay, so if I take 2 times of that, so just input in the calculator, we should get 75.1754 cm squared. Okay. Is this alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, next, I want to find, okay, here is 35 degrees. Why? Because there's see a letter Z, alternate angle. Alternate angle. See that? The means here is 35. Now, if that is 35, this is an isosceles triangle, and so here has to be 8. Why do I want to find? Because I want to find the area of the other triangle. I want to take. I already found P, right? P, parallelogram. Now I need the triangle. What triangle? I need to find triangle BEC. Okay, so let's find triangle BEC. So triangle BEC is here. BEC. Okay, can you tell me how to find the area of triangle BEC?
Half AB sine C.
Yeah, same stuff, right? So let's write down area of triangle BEC half 8 sine. Okay, so I need to find this angle. This 110. Okay? Here 110, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because the base is 35, right? So 180 minus 70 is 110. So the one at the bottom is 110. Calculator, half AB sine C. 30.07 cm squared. Right, so finally to find the area of the trapezoid, I need to take the parallelogram minus the triangle. So parallelogram is 75.1754 minus 30.07. We'll end up with 45.1 cm squared. Okay, can you take a look? Do you understand this one?
Yeah.
Ask me, got any other question?
But why do you find the area of parallelogram first?
Because I need to minus. I want to find the trapezium. Okay, let me show you. Where is the trapezium? See the... Whoa. This is the trapezium. Can you see that? So how to find this trapezium? We must take the parallelogram. Can you see this? Minus away what? Oops.
A triangle.
Yeah, minus away triangle. This is a triangle. Can you see that? Wait, red color. This minus the green color. You get the
Trapezium.
yeah, trapezium is here.
Then how do you know it's parallel? The triangle, how do you know it's parallel?
Which triangle?
Green color one.
Green color. What do you mean parallel?
Like how do you know it's an isosceles triangle? Therefore, like 8.
Oh,
8.
okay. One more time. How do I know it's isosceles? I'm gonna erase all this first. So we start out like that, right? So we know this is 35, correct?
Yeah.
Because they say bisect, ma. And remember the letter Z?
Yeah.
This is Z, correct? So if that is Z, so that means if this is 35, here also 35. Now if both are 35, that means it's a isosceles triangle.
Yeah.
So here must equal to here, and this must be 8.
Okay.
And this must be 110.
Right. Okay.
Right, so that has to be 110.
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, so you gotta do more, then you'll see. Next one. Okay, this one done. So move on to the next. This one also finished. Oh, that's it. Okay, so we're actually done with the paper 1. Alright, so we can move on to paper 2. Okay, now let's take a look at paper 2. Now, paper 2, I'm going to just proceed to do on the other side. Wait. So 5t squared, let me just copy it. Okay, so 1a part 1. 5t squared over b divided by 25t over b cubed. Okay, so we're supposed to write as a single fraction. Yeah, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing, let's remove the. Let's get rid of the. Wait. Oh, wait, something wrong with my. Wait. Divided by b cubed. Okay, so let's try to simplify this first. First, I don't want to divide, right? I change the time. So 5 t squared over v times v cubed over 25. Okay, so the next step is we can do some cancellation. So cancel v, cancel, so this becomes squared, right? 5 becomes 5. So what's the final result? On the top, I left with t squared v squared divided by 5. That's it. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah, there's only one mark. So Go on to B. Part 2. So 4 over 3 minus 2y minus 5 over y plus 3. Okay, so how do we combine this? What do we need to do to combine them?
Same denominator.
Yeah, so the same denominator is usually a multiplication.
Mm.
So the top here must times y plus 3. Yeah. And then the other side, 3 minus 2y. So we will have 3 minus 2y, y plus 3. Okay, so we just combine them. Then next rainbow in, minus 5 rainbow in. So 4y plus 12 minus 15 plus 10y divided by 3 minus 2y, y plus 3 equals to, so you evaluate 4 plus 10 is 14y minus 3, 3 minus 2y, y plus 3. And that's all. Easy enough.
Yeah.
Nothing else to do, right? So let's continue. Next, simplify. So 16, okay, wait, I can actually do here. Equals to, now factorize 16x squared minus 9. We break it up to 4x minus 3. This one, a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared divided by, let's factorize the bottom two. Okay, so 4x squared minus 9, 4, 3, 12. 4x times x and 3 times 3. 12x minus 12. Alright, so we have broken it down. So we get bottom is 4x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, now how about the top, the numerator? When we factorize, how do we get the numerator? A squared minus b squared, what's the factorized form?
4x minus 3, 4x plus 3.
Yeah, awesome. 4x plus 3, 4x minus 3, 4x plus 3. Can you tell me what do we do next?
Cancel the 4x plus 3.
Yeah. So quite easy enough. Friendly,
Yeah.
Oh, A1 already. 4x minus 3 over x minus 3. Final answer. Okay, next. No more already. There's nothing else to do. Next. Solve the equation 20 over, okay, so this is over 1.
Yeah.
Cross multiply, 20 equals to x plus 1, 2x plus 5. Because this times here, this one times here. Okay, cross multiply. Why do I deploy cross multiply? Because there is a equal sign. So for equal sign, you can cross multiply. Okay, so 20 equals to, so you got to do all the rainbow stuff. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 5. 2x squared plus 7x plus 5. Okay, so next, I'm just going to continue here. Rearrange the whole thing, 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equal to 0. So far, are we okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta do the factorization again. Color. Factorize. So 2x squared minus plus 7x minus 15. 2x times x. 15 is 5 times 3, right? So 3 times 5 plus minus 3x plus 10x. Okay, so factorize form 2x minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. And I can split into 2 here because both you multiply, you get 0. So either 2x minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals to 0, x equals to minus 5. Alright?
Yeah.
Then, so you see question number 1 of the paper 2, it's quite easy.
Yeah.
Right? As long as you know your algebra, you shouldn't have a problem with this. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move on. Question 2a. So in 2016, Ken earned a total of 44,000. In 2017, he earned 3,009. What is the percentage increase? Okay, so let's find 2017, 3,009 each month. Three nine zero zero times 12. Okay, so what's its original amount? 44. New amount 46. 46800 minus 44000 2800. Then
Yeah.
amount 2008. So they want to calculate percentage increase. So we take 2800 divided by original amount 44. Okay, so we need times 100.
Yeah.
Because that's the percentage increase. And when we multiply by 100, we will get
6.
6.36. Right? So that's part A. Any question for part A?
No.
Okay, so we can look at part B. Okay, part B is compound interest. What is the formula for compound interest?
Total amount equals to C1 plus.
Yeah. Okay, can you see that on the board? So the P, now you gotta answer my question. What is P in this case?
The principal.
What's the value?
6,500.
What is R?
2.35.
What is N?
6.
Okay, very good. Can you calculate this? You calculate this, tell me what's your answer. Do you have pen and paper there?
Yeah.
Okay, so you put in, then, yeah. Tell me what's the answer. Now, take note, this question, right, you only find A, but they want the amount of interest. That means you gotta...
Minus of the total.
Yeah, minus the original. Okay, can you try and calculate now? I go drink some water.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, how is it?
The final answer is 36527.9.
What's the interest?
747.0.
What?
7472.
Total interest earned.
06.
Huh? What's the total interest earned?
740.
7472 is the total.
The total interest is
You have to minus the
36527.9.
Well, how you get that? Wait. When you use the, can you tell me what's your A?
My A is 7472.06.
That's correct. I write down.
Yeah.
7472.06, right?
Yeah.
So to find the interest earned, you just take this minus 6500. Do you minus 6500?
Oh, minus the minus the 441.
What form would it? You mean part A?
Yeah.
No. It's a different question. Anyway, you should minus the original principal. So you should get
972.
Yeah, 972.06.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the amount interest earned after 6 years. Right? Let's continue, right? So exchange rate between Sing dollar and euro is 1 equals 66 cents. So Ken is planning a trip to Europe. He find this hotel by comparing the exchange rate. How you can tell that hotel in London costs more per night than the one in Paris? So okay, let's see how to do this. Now, 145 pounds per night. What is the conversion? We gotta look at which one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's convert to Sing dollar. We take 145 times 1.9.
97. 285.
Yeah, so Sing dollar 285.65. Yeah, how about this one? Okay, you see the conversion here is 1 Sing dollar is 0.66. Right? So do I times or divide?
You times.
Times 0.66. No,
Divide.
reverse radio. Alright, so it's 145 divided by 0.66 divided by 0.66. So Sing dollar is 219.7. Okay, so the question is which one is more expensive?
London.
So London is more, right? Why? Because you can see clearly that the value, right?
Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah.
Next. So Ken booked 3 nights in a hotel in London and 4 nights in Paris. Calculate the total amount he paid for the two hotels, including the credit card fee, correct to the nearest dollar. Is this Sing dollar? Yeah, so everything converted to Sing dollar, right? So everything converted to Sing dollar.
Yeah.
All you have to do is to multiply it. So London, 3 nights, right? So it's 3 times 285.65. That's London. Then Paris, 4 nights. 4 times 219.70. So you add the two together first. Okay, what do we get? We get a total of 173. Is that right? So that's the total. Haven't charged the currency conversion fee. So let's find the currency conversion fee. 1.8%. 1.8% is 1.8 over 100 times 1735.75. 1.8 over 100. So it's additional $31.24. So just take 1735.75 plus 1.24. So we get 1767. Okay, nearest dollar. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that is question number 2. Also not too bad. Thanks. Okay, next one is your favorite. Matrix. Matrix. Okay, so evaluate the matrix P equals 7M. Now what's the meaning of P equals 7M? Basically just times 7, right?
Yeah.
Multiply 7, so I'm going to write it here. P equals 7M. 7 times of M is the same as 7 times everything. So that will give us everything multiplied by 7 times 7. So we get 4. Okay, it's a big 490, 350, 280, 210, 210, 210. Okay, so that will give us 1 mark. Easy or not?
Yeah, easy.
Ooh, let's continue. So small pies, we're now at B, so small pies cost 75 cents each, large, medium, 150, large, represent in 3 by 1. This is easy, I'm going to do all the easy stuff. So this N equals to 0.75, 1.5, 2.25. Okay, because they say 3 by 1 matrix. That means 3 rows, 1 column.
Yeah.
That's N. So C, evaluate T equal to Pn. So T equals Pn. So P is 49 times N. Okay, so can you tell me how do you multiply a matrix?
You row times column.
Yeah, row diagram. Okay, can you do this calculation? T equal Pn. Show me what you get. Can you try this one?
Yeah.
Multiply, huh?
Zero, 1, 5.
What do you get?
Uh, uh, 1, 0, 1, 5, and 8, 7, 5.
1015. 875.
2 by 1.
Yeah, 2 by 1. Wrong, eh?
Huh?
Wrong. Answer should be 1260, 1050. Okay, so you want to check your calculation, right? Okay, it could be just some simple calculation that is not correct. Okay? Okay, you can see. Let me go and check. Row times column is correct, but your calculation wrong. I'm going to continue, okay? You can go and check. Okay, so what each of the element in T represent? What does each of the T represent? So the 1260, it actually represents the cost of making the pie in 1 week. That means this is the total cost in making the pies. So first one is apple, right? Then the other one is cherry in 1 week. Okay? Is this alright? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, then E. Okay, E is the slightly more difficult one. So the bakery sells each pie for 40% more than it costs to make. And 1 week they sold 6, 7 of each size and 4/5 of each size of the cherry. The unsold pies were given away. Calculate the total profit. So we got we need to change something. First of all, all the price we gotta add 40%. Okay, can you see this? See the 40%?
Yeah.
Is it big enough? 40%. That means this price, everything must increase 40%.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to use my calculator and just change everything to 40%. So this becomes 1.05. This is 2.1 and the one at 2.15. Okay, that means add 40%. All I do is I take the value times 1.4. I'll get this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So that's the new price. Now the number of each sold was also different. You see, they sold 6, 7 of each size of apple, and then 4/5 of each size of cherries. That means the number is changed. Where is the number? So the number is here. Okay, this is the number of each of the pipes sold. Okay, so what needs to happen now is each of the value at the top, because it's apples, right? So apples is 6/7. So my new M, the top, everything top times 6/7. So the top part and the bottom part, I got to times 4/5. Do you know why I multiply 6, 7, and 4/5?
No.
No, let's go back here. You see the apples, right? So how many? 6.
6/7.
Yeah, so this is the number 490, 280, 210 is the number of apples sold. So I must times 6/7. So I get a new number. Then for the other fruit, what's the other fruit? Pear. The one at the bottom, 350, and carrot, 210. cherry, so it's 4 feet, so must times 4 feet. Because only 4 feet are sold. You see, this is the total. At first, you got this number, but you only sold a fraction. So I must times a fraction.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get the new matrix, which will be m equals to, okay, wait, 6 over 7 times 490, 420, 240, 180. Okay, so that's the one at the top. The one at the bottom is 300 times. Okay, so I got, that's the new M. That's the number that's sold. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the new number. So, what do they want? We are supposed to find the amount of profit. Now, remember the new price. Can you see this is the new price?
Yeah.
And that is the new number that's sold. What do I need to do? I gotta multiply them, right? Because okay, so because this one got a times here. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do the multiplication now. So we're gonna multiply 1.05 to 2.1. Okay, I'm gonna find a new space. So basically, I'm trying to find the new total t using red. So t now equals to 420,280. They multiply with 2.1. Sorry, wrong. Okay, so I will get a matrix, which is
1512 and 1176.
wait, this and this. Have you calculated?
Yeah.
Yeah, 700. There should be 3 numbers.
Three
Right?
numbers.
First row times first column, right? 420, let me calculate. Plus oh no, sorry, 2 sets. Okay, so it's 1512, right?
2.
Then
Yeah.
the other is
1176.
1176. Sorry, so wrongly. Okay, so the total is this, and actually I need to add them together because 1512 plus 1176 equals to 2688.
Yeah.
So this is the total amount he collected. But what do they want? They actually want to find the amount profit, right? So the profit, you gotta find the total cost. So this is the total cost: 1260, 1050. It's total cost Right, so that's the total cost. To find the profit, it's 2688 minus 2310. So $378. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, so this question, not too difficult, but it's just tedious. I think it's tedious. But for the sake of how many marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 marks.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the sake of 9 marks, we gotta endure the tediousness and to do whatever they ask you to do. Okay, question 4 I'm gonna skip. The sequence question I skip. We'll go on the next one. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this. Question number 5. So question 5 is a vector question. Are you okay, James? Can we continue?
Yeah.
Okay, so ABCD is a parallelogram. AB seeks to coordinate vertex. Find the position vector of vertex B. Now to find vertex B, you need to look at B, C, and C. Because BC, this is 5, 8. BC is actually equals to OC minus OB, correct? Memorize this, this is how you do it. So BC given is 4, negative 3 equals to OC is 3 minus 1 minus OB. So if you want to find OB, it's 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Alright, which will give us minus 1, 2. Okay, so OB is just negative 1, 2. Okay?
Yeah.
The third. Find the coordinates of vertex A and vertex B. And how to find A? Let's just write it out. Right. So I'm given, you see, I'm given AB. AB is 6, 2. This information given. So if you need to find A, it has to involve AB, right? So for B, OB minus OA. Okay, and I have AB is 6, 2. So 6, 2 is equal to, do I have OB? Have,
Yes.
This is here. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Minus OA. So once again, I can find OA. OA is just minus 1, 2, minus 6, 2. That will give us minus 7, 0. Okay? That's OA. Then the next one is we need to find D. D. Now D is a bit weird. You need to visualize. Where is D? Now at this point of time, I already have A, B, and C, right?
Yeah.
You see, I have A, I have C, and I have B. What this means is I can draw something. Now C is 3. Let's say this is a coordinate. C is 3, negative 1. 3, negative 1 is somewhere here. And then A is, okay, wait, negative minus 7, 0. Y, X. Okay, C is here. A is minus, you see, A is minus 7, 0. Here. A is here. And B is minus 1, 2. Okay, where do you think is D? It has to be a parallelogram.
It is
It's a bit hard to describe, but let me draw. A, B, C. Okay, I'm gonna give you several options, right?
Below
Option, wait, option D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay, where do you think is D?
D4.
Ah, very good. So remove everything. I just wasted 10 seconds drawing all those. Okay, D4, obvious, right? It's somewhere there, right?
Yeah.
So let's remove this one. So D is somewhere there. So now we need to guess because it's a parallelogram. So this one, parallel. Okay, so D is somewhere here. But how to find the coordinates of D? I know this is parallel. These two also parallel. Okay, so let me write it out. Since they're parallel, so DC is parallel to AB, right? DC, you see this one? Is parallel to AB, correct? Therefore, DC must be equal to OC minus OD. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and what do I have? Because then I want to find OD. If I rearrange, OD is equals to OC minus DC. Now I have OC, correct? OC is 3 minus 1. How about DC?
DC is...
The clue is here, see that? It's the same as?
AB.
Yeah, and AB just now we found that AB is 6, 2. See that?
Yeah.
So AB is 6, 2. Right, so you evaluate that, you get minus 3, minus 3. So that's our D.
Okay.
Okay? Right, so this one also settled. Next, calculate the angle BAD. So BAD is right here. How do we calculate angle BAD? Wow, how many marks is this? 3 marks. Okay, how to find BAD? BAD. Okay, let's try to put all the coordinates inside. B is minus 1, 2. A is minus 7, 0. D is minus 3, minus 3. C is 3, minus 1. So I want to find this angle, BAD. It actually consists of 2 parts, right? The top and the bottom. Yeah, so I can split this into 2 triangles and try to find them. Wait, let me see. BAO. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Now, because you have all the coordinates, you can drop this one down. Okay, and drop this one down here as well. So, green color line. What is the length of this line and this line? let's use another color. Yeah. What is the height of the purple color line?
Two.
Oh, very good. How about the green color? Green color. You see, we have the coordinates, right? So what's the green color?
-6.
Yeah, 6. 6. So if I want to find this, I need to use trigonometry. So this part is actually tangent. This one, tangent. Let's call it theta is equal to 2/6. So theta equals to tangent inverse 1 2/6, and it's equal to 18.4. Right, so here is 18.4 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna do to the same thing to the bottom. So what's the purple color line? What's the length of the purple color line?
-3.
Yeah, that's -3. So that's 3 lah. 3 here. Then how about the green color line? Now green color line extend a bit more.
4.
Huh?
4.
Yeah, 4. This is 4. Oh no, what did I do? Okay, so that's 4. So same thing, tangent. Now theta here. Tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent, right? So 3/4. Now if tangent theta equals 3/4, let's find theta. Tangent inverse 3/4. Okay, that will give us, using calculator, 36.89. Alright, so here is 36.89. Now to find the two, you add them together. Alright, so that will be your angle BAD. So let's go to angle BAD. So we add the two together. Angle BAD will be 55.3 degrees. Alright? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so can you see it's tedious, but I think it's definitely doable. Next, find the length of diagonal BD. Where is BD? Oh. Okay, diagonal BD. Okay, where's the diagonal BD? It's here, right? B. Actually this is easier. You know?
Can you just add it?
What?
Can you just add the coordinate?
No, no, we want the length. The length. Remember the coordinate geometry formula?
Oh, yeah. Square root.
This is x1, x2, y2, right?
Yeah.
Is x2. Oh, what am I doing? x1, y1, x2, y2. Right. So what's the formula?
Square root x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1.
Yeah.
X minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square.
Square.
Yeah.
y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so I won't do it. You just use the formula. Deploy formula. Yay, so question 5 is done. How many marks is this? 9 marks again. Okay, that's another 9 marks of this question. Okay, the next one is algebra. Question number 6. We have to see the rest. Circle, algebra, integration. Still quite a bit more to go. Okay, but definitely doable. Just takes time. Okay?
Yeah.
Actually, I want to stop here already.
Okay.
Just to summarize, overall I think it's not too bad.
Yeah.
But you really gotta go and do it.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, let's skip this question 4. But question 1, 2, 3, it's actually doable. It's quite
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, paper 2, it's not that bad. Alright, so I stop here.